Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead on computer. First, you'll need to acquire the game, which is readily available on popular digital platforms such as Steam or GOG. After purchasing, simply download and install it onto your personal computer. Before diving in, quickly check that your system meets the minimum requirements for a smooth experience. Once installed, launch the game from your library and prepare for an exciting adventure. Cuphead offers flexible control options, allowing you to play with either a keyboard and mouse or a game controller. Many players find a controller provides a more intuitive experience for the game's fast-paced action. You'll need to master basic movements like running, jumping, and dashing. Crucially, practice shooting your enemies and parrying pink objects to build your super meter for powerful EX attacks. To conquer Cuphead's challenging bosses, careful observation is key. Pay close attention to enemy attack patterns. Understanding them will help you dodge and counter effectively. Don't be afraid to experiment with the various weapons and charms available, as different combinations suit different playstyles and bosses. For an added layer of fun and challenge, invite a friend to join you in local cooperative mode. As you progress, you'll unlock powerful super arts that can turn the tide of battle when your super meter is full. Remember to explore every corner of the 3 distinct Inkwell Isles. You might uncover hidden coins or secret passages. Beyond the intense gameplay, take a moment to truly appreciate the game's stunning hand-drawn animation and its fantastic, original jazz-inspired soundtrack. Enjoy the unique charm of this incredible adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.